everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Just shooting a little quick sneak peek video of the 71 3D3 4-speed Challenger that we have coming in. I apologize, guys. I'm getting on the road to go buy some more, but just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek. 4-speed rally dash, shaker hood, rotisserie restored, as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Citron yellow, 4-speed shaker hood, and just killer car, guys. Make sure you're watching our site. 66 Olas just rolled in today, 69 Camaro coming in tomorrow, 64 Ford coming in tomorrow, 70 C10 pickup truck coming in tomorrow. So make sure you're keeping track of that website, guys. Have a great day.